Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen Shorts. My name is Sahil. I'm a death metal musician. I'm also the author of the recipe book called Keto Life, and I have a YouTube channel called Headbanger's Kitchen with over 600,000 subscribers. And I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to this channel. I'm extremely grateful and thankful for your support. So I hope all of you are enjoying the recipe videos that I'm posting on this channel, but I know by now you're probably wondering, why have I made this channel when I have a channel with 600,000 subscribers? Well, let me tell you the story. So on my main channel, whenever I uploaded short format videos or YouTube shorts, I always lost subscribers. I'm not joking. I tried everything, but every short video lost me 30 to 40 subscribers, and I figured that the audience on the main channel did not care for short format content. So I thought to myself, why not start a channel dedicated to YouTube shorts where I can post this content? And I could have sort of told people on the main channel that, guys, I've started a new channel, check it out. But I kind of wanted to use this channel as an experiment to see if I could grow organically on YouTube. Because I'm a full-time YouTuber and YouTube is a very, very tricky medium. You know, the algorithm and all the factors that come into play when you're trying to create content here are quite a lot on the brain. So on the 1st of May, I started uploading one short video on this channel every day, and in exactly 1 month, I have touched 100 subscribers. So I'm happy that I have been able to grow to this level organically. I have done no promotion for this channel because some of you might recognize me from the other channel because you may have seen my videos, but I'd love to know how you discovered this channel, and do you know about my other channel? Let me know in the comments below. So long story short, the shorts weren't working on the main channel, and I thought I'd use this as a growth experiment on YouTube. So I'm going to continue to post a short video for you every single day, and let's see where this channel goes. I don't need to cross promote it anywhere, but if you like the videos, please feel free to share them. Anyway, I think that's been enough jibber jabber from me. Once again, I want to say thank you for subscribing to this channel, for watching the videos. I'm going to be posting a new video every single day, so make sure you check them out. Anyway, enough jibber jabber from me. I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen Shorts. Until then, cheers and keep cooking.